Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, I'm still in Chicago. This is going to be Chicago part 2, and I am in K-pop Nara. Now I will be putting some music on this video for your viewing pleasure because I don't play with copyright music, and of course because this is a K-pop store, they had a bunch of the K-pop idols, or I should say groups, music playing, and it was extremely loud. So as you guys see, they had a wide variety of things, but they didn't have everything. Now I will say I'm not 100% a K-pop stan like my sister is. She's been for years. I don't know about every group like that. But there's one group that I've went to their concert before, and that's NCC 127. So since this was my birthday trip, my sister for my birthday, she actually got me my first album, which you guys will see. I went to the NCC 127 concert with her. I believe that was last year. I do have a vlog. You guys can check it out. I'll link it. But again, the same thing. I didn't show as much of the concert just because of copyright reasons. I put different background noises because I don't play about that, and YouTube's very strict about that. That was a photo of NCC 127 talking about NCC 127. Now they had these minis, and my sister was also gonna get me those because I thought it was cute. It was like a little CD that you can attach to your phone, so like if you want to play the music. But my sister said it was way too much in this store, and she knew where she could get it for cheaper again. So like I said, she's more well versed in the K-pop. I know a lot of bands and their music, but I may not know them as much as like NCT 127, just because I've watched more of NCT 127. I've been to their concert, but slowly, surely, I'll probably get into more of the music and the things. Like I do like Twice, Blackpink. I just haven't been to their concerts, and I don't know everything about them. But anywho, so we're just going to the store now. It didn't have everything. There was other things my sister said she wanted, but they didn't have it in the store. I believe she ended up getting another album. I forgot which album she got to add to her collection. Now she has a huge collection. Um, I was gonna say if you guys want to see it, but I don't think she wants me to show her collection. But she just has like a whole like 3 shelves of collections. That would actually be a cool YouTube video. But anyway, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest, and then I'll come back to you guys when I continue the rest of this video. So as you guys can see right here, I am gonna unbox my thing. They had a table there where it was like unbox your thing, unbox your item or your purchase for a chance to be featured. I actually did get featured on their Instagram page, so which was nice. In our story, I did a story unboxing, or a photo actually, but I want to unbox for you guys and show it to you guys here on YouTube. So I got the NCC 127 sticker album. Now they had different ones. They had a small little one. They had a big booklet. I decided to get the big booklet. It wasn't too bad. It was like 20 something. Now there was a lot of other things that were expensive. Now that's my sister. I'm expecting her privacy not to be filmed, so that's why her face is blurred. But again, because she is the go-to K-pop stan that I am, she was showing me how to place things properly to show for Bloom Pleasure when I filmed for IG, because I'm not well versed. Anyway, so here's the cards I got. I got Mark, and we were laughing because Mark is actually one of her favorite from NTC. And then she was like, "Do you want to trade?" Because I didn't really want, but I was like, "I'm fine. I'll keep it." And then this is the photo of the whole group. So everyone, Johnny, Jaehyun. I always feel like I'm mispronouncing names, and that's why I don't like to say their names. Mark and everybody else. It comes with time, I feel like. Again, here's like, I think these were like stickables. Then I wanted him, Jaehyun. I hope I'm saying his name right. I always feel like I'm saying it wrong. And then I love that it was purple. That's why I think I selected this one because it was purple because it's my favorite color. And then inside, you'll see as I flip through, there's a lot of different photos of them. Up, and I almost broke, and then I dropped it. My bad. I didn't expect the thing to fall out. But there was also the CD that you can actually play inside of it as well. Before we left, the last thing we did, we saw this wall of people writing things, so we decided to write our own thing. So I wrote Fact Check because that was one of my favorite songs of one of the newest albums from NCC 127 that has come out last year. Because I have to say last year because it's no longer 2023. So that's what I wrote. And then I stick mine on the wall. As you can see, Fact Check Song of the Year. And here's me sticking it on the wall. And my sister did the green on top that says "Stream Be There for Me." I also like that song too. That's one of their new songs by NCC 127. Now we went to Line Friends just to see what they had in there. It's another like K-pop related store.
This
Now
looks
I
cute.
noticed a lot of the stores like more sort of catered for like what's the
I
store
think you would
called,
want to stand
BTS, for the group BTS, and Blackpink. I believe Blackpink was in there, and I forgot what's that other brand company. I ended up getting like a sleeve for my photo cards from them. It was a really cute sleeve. I think I showed to you. This is a BTS sweater. Like I said, they had a bunch of different stuff, characters. I forgot what my sister said they're called. I totally forgot. But there was like sweaters, travel bags, hearing braces, all you name it. So I'm just gonna keep on walking through again another store where the music was extremely loud. I do like that as I continue getting into K-pop though that or K-pop music and I actually know the songs, so it's like cool because I can jam out with the songs that are playing and not be confused as to what songs are playing. So I thought this was super cute that they had like some interactive pieces. I think I'll also show you guys the could stick thing. I didn't write on that one, my sister did. There's like a bunch of post-its with notes, but you could also spin this wheel and it told you who's your character. Like I said, this is the whole thing of sticky notes all over the wall. That's a lot of sticky notes that people have written, and I guess because so much, some of them fell on the floor. Um, but yeah, and they had this cute little mirror with a bunch of things. New Jeans, that was the group I couldn't remember. I got a New Jeans photo card thing because that was the most inexpensive one, honestly. There you go, that's the one I got. I knew I'd show it to you guys. It was cute, so that's what I'm getting. And this is like in the beginning of the store, that big rubber ducky. Then we went to Gongcha and got a bubble tea because I love me some bubble tea. And then we went to Ramasan later on in the day for dinner. The food was good. I had kimchi first time, and then crumble cookies. It was okay. First time also having crumble cookies. It wasn't that much vibe. Now this is the next day. We went to meet Pier. It was just like about 30-minute walk. Going back, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was freezing, so I was like, let's take the bus back
Then there's a Starbucks
because I was
close
cold,
to
and the bus would have took us like
Hold on, I'm
literally
just gonna get
like
this.
5 minutes
From America,
to get
take
there
this.
back to our hotel. As we continued walking, it got extremely cold. I have parts where I like show you in and out because of the music again that was playing that was extremely loud. I just don't play with copyright. That's just not how we do it. But anyway, it says welcome to the Pier. It was a sign, I believe, if you're under 18 or 21, I remember that you're not allowed to be there unattended. So that's just to note if you come, if anybody comes and let's say you're 17 or 16. Now, honestly, I didn't see anybody walking around watching people, so I don't really know exactly what that rule is for. The only thing I can think of is if you go to certain restaurants that may sell alcohol. I don't know, but that's just something to know. I kept on seeing that multiple areas about certain age. If you're under a certain age, you should not be left there unattended. Now, as you guys can see, it's like a long walk, almost like one of those boardwalks. You just keep on walking. There's a bunch of boats, different boats that were docked, and they all had like different Christmas decorations. So we kept on walking, and as we kept on walking, it got colder and colder because I think obviously, well, if you guys know, Chicago's not exactly so deep, but not only that, it was also by water. So I feel like when you're by water, it's 10 times colder, right? So that was really what it was. Now this is a hotel that I guess is right alongside, but it may be pier, and more boats. I believe it went a little further down, but we got tired and it was getting colder and colder by the minute, so we decided to end it here and walk back to our original start. And this is just me later on getting ready for dinner, my little pre-birthday dinner. We were in a rush. But anyway, so this is the vegetable gyoza. I recommend that. I didn't videotape any of my food, I forgot. And this is the pad thai, the chicken pad thai. Alright, and then I did get footage of this. So they brought a birthday thing, and it's a big giant cookie, a fortune cookie. It had like cream in it and chocolate mousse or something. And then there was a bunch of fruits. So I ended up sharing with my mom because we couldn't eat all that. And I took the cookie with me. And then there was also creme brulee. I don't think I ended up showing you guys. That was really what my sister wanted. But anyway, so I was reading the fortune cookies, and the two that I didn't really like what they said, so I left them on the table. But there was one that did take, which was this year ahead promises to find you in many interesting positions. I really liked that. I thought it was perfect for like the new year. So I did take it home with me, and I have it. That's why I was able to read what it says to you guys. There you go. I showed it to you guys, but yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, happy birthday. Hey guys, so I'm here rolling all. I'm sorry, there's all these white stuff. I gotta do a third rinse of my face, but I had just taken off majority of my makeup. Because I got this cleansing balm, so I decided to use that and take off my makeup. And then, so now I just have to wash it, but my facial cleanser is in the shower. But anyway, I just want to quickly, yes, I'm in my room because I had to finish packing all my stuff. And things had to go, like the stuff that I was wearing tonight. So I did go to Tao. My sister added like cluster lashes on my edges. I don't know if you guys noticed. I have to take those out, but I have to wait till I get in the shower because I feel like to take them off. But anyway, everything else is wiped off. But the photos will be dropping. I think my sister got a little footage of when they gave me like a little birthday thing. My birthday is actually tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm gonna come back on here. If I do, then I might add a clip, but I highly doubt it because tomorrow we're traveling back. So I don't think there's gonna be anything worth like vlogging like that. Overall though, the trip was good. There was only one thing I really wanted to do, but unfortunately the weather was like really like 2 days, like full days, was like raining so much. So kind of had to switch up plans. But yesterday was pretty good though. Still, like we just kind of tackled like a bunch of K-pop stores and stuff like that. And yeah, but I'm just waiting to get in the shower. I'm the last person to go take a shower, and I'm gonna get in my bed. Majority of everything is packed. I just have like miscellaneous things on my table right now, on the table, like charging things. But other than that, I'm good to go. And a few things that I'll put in my suitcase. But anyway, if I don't come back, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this second vlog. When I get back home, I may start editing the first vlog that I did on my computer, but honestly, that probably won't be until Monday. And then but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button, so you can every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.